Okay. 1, 2. Facebook. Okay, give me 2 seconds, guys. 2 seconds! How was everyone's weekend? How's it been going? You know, let's start with the essentials. Are we ready for this week? Are we eager? Are we excited? I think that's the right word right there. Are we excited for this? I'm quite excited for this. Yep, I messed with that. Anyways. Messing with the wrong one. There we go. Bum 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 ba da 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 bum bum. Pew 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 pew. Okay. I have no clue if this is gonna work. Anyways, let's see. Huh. Okay. Apparently things are working. Hey LP, how's it going? Let's try. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this works. Oh, LP, how was your weekend? Are you ready for this Monday? How's it looking that side of the world? Because it's just been cold and rainy here the whole time. That's just how it's been. I know I should not complain about cold and rainy, but it's been cold and rainy. Okay, are we still at all-time highs? No, we are not. Nice. Okay, let's now mark out some of these areas where we could potentially end up heading. Bam, 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 bam. It was a good projection level. And there was already taken. Cool. Taken. Wow. I mean, we appear to have been slowly New daily opening gap. What is over here? Ah, okay, LP, so just me. It's just me. Let me just... Let me make a note of the NWOG. It's such a funny name. I know I shouldn't be giggling at that, but it is. It's quite a funny name. It's teeny tiny though. I don't know why I expected it to be bigger, but it's tiny. Can relatively equal those down the way. Nope, that's not on it at all. Okay. We should be good to go now. Should being the keyword, but... here we go. Hey, Kiko. An only true trader. Oh, Chima, you think so? I appreciate that. Here we are, hoping, right? How was everyone's weekend? I feel like that's a very important question. Did everyone get to chill a little bit? When Night gets here, I will tell him that I watched the movie. It is very sweet. Aw, thanks, Chima. Well, you know what? We've got this. We have done 8 of the 10 trades, right? Number 8 again was a break even that could have been or should have been a win. So as soon as I'm done with the 10, I will indeed do 10 more trades, and this time I will not go break even. A little bit scary for me, not gonna lie, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna stick to my word. If there's anything that you can say about me, it's that I stick with what I say, or I try to at least. And to try is the best thing. All you can do in life is try. And now let me make a little note of this one as well. This is quite a small NWOG, isn't it? I'm actually not sure. Is that considered a small new weekly opening gap, or is it not bad? Hell yeah, Chima. Hell yeah. That's the plan, right? When in doubt, just trust your strategy. Stick with your strategy. Oh, I butchered this completely. Stick with your strategy. I don't want to say hope for the best because that sounds terrible, but trust your strategy and stick with the discipline. When in doubt, just stick with the discipline. Okie dokie. Let's now check out the 15-minute quickly. Let's confirm. I mean, we are pushing up. Whoop, these two are taken out. Cool. Do we think it's going to continue being a little bit bullish? Or is it gonna start coming back down now? What does it look like on the 1 hour? Wait, let me just hide these things so it doesn't look so chaotic. Again, there was a fair value gap created here. It is above. And to be fair, this could continue bullish. What do we think? Only true trader? That's kind of what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's going to be a long day today, which is, I don't want to say weird, but I feel like it's weird. I really thought it would maybe potentially want to go back down. But, okay, let's stick with trend. And right now, trend is slowly pushing up and away, right? So stick with the longs unless it's just going to be sideways again today. Oh my gosh. Please don't let it just be sideways again today. I'll be so unimpressed if it's just gonna go sideways. Hey Kopu, how's it going? Peter, so you're going for the longs, you're taking longs, cool. Have I backtested my strategy? Yes, I have. It's like a 45% success rate with a 1 to 2 hour strat. That's not bad. It means you are in the green. Kofu, how was your weekend? No one's telling me how their weekends were, so I'm assuming that they were amazing, right? Why only true trader? Boom, how's it going? Are you ready for today? Let me double check here. How's that possible? How was going out with my friends? No, it was good. It was good. You know, no complaints. We didn't win the quiz night. Not really surprised about that, but it was fun. It's raining again. If the price breaks above recent highs, the trend is likely to continue. Okay, team. So yeah, basically what we are waiting for is just some proof. Or some proof. Proof of life. No. Basically, we're waiting for confirmation of which direction this is going, apart from sideways. Seriously, why is it going sideways? I really thought this would be good. Hey, Kofu, nice. Fresh new start. I like it. Let's do this. I love starting fresh. There's this like sense of confidence that comes with it. I don't know if it's a false sense. I don't know, but you feel ready for action. Especially if the first trade on the eval is a win, then you're like, oh, this is just, it's good. It's good. Let's see, like I said, I'm slowly picking myself up from that week last week. Hey, Chima. Do you like it? I actually got this shirt this weekend because it was like 50 rand. So I was like, oh, yes. It is amazing. I'm getting it. But I appreciate that. Thanks, One Mark. I lie. Why am I calling you One Mark? It's Mark 1 and we know it. Hey, Bebo. Oh, right. Oh, no. I did make a promise. You know what? I'm going to have to do this now. I did make a promise that at 3K, I know maybe I'm planning ahead. I do not know. I don't know how quick this is going to be. I did make a deal that when I hit 3K, the short's gonna come out with regards, well, where you guys get to now start coming up with ideas for my trading tattoo. It's official. It's happening. Bebo, how's it going? How have you been? I need coffee. Maybe if I have coffee and I get energy, the charts will start to get energy. What do you think? Do you think, yeah? I'm checking out something. Ba-ba-ba-ba-bam. Is it working? Is it working? Let's try this one last time. Work. Okay, let's see if that worked. Aha! I think it may have worked, guys. Oh my gosh, things are finally starting to work. Oh, it's been one of those, can you tell? It's been one of those mornings. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I mean, Bebo, I want to say yes, but I mean, I guess it could be this journey. It could be related to this journey. Yeah. I mean, what else would you want to potentially do, Bebo? Hey TJ, how's it going? How's it going? Ooh, are we going to have something? Did the coffee plan work? Sorry guys, I'm trying to sort out the vertical stream. That's why I'm on me phone. Apologies. Okay. Do you know what's really frustrating? I don't know if you guys have ever had this. You know when you have a headache that just will not go away. So I've had this headache since yesterday. Okay. Yeah, I've had this headache since yesterday. Make it stop. I don't know how to make it stop. Oh, it's driving me absolutely crazy, but I guess it is what it is. Ooh, electrolytes. I could try that, TJ. Hey, Ronaldo, how's it going? I love tech mineral salts. You think mineral salts will help? I must give it a try, because I tried water. Okay, I tried. Everyone looked at me and they're like, have you drunk water today? I'm like, yes, I have. I promise, I have drank water because I know that's like standard. Guys, is this gonna actually just be choppy today? Please don't say this is going to be choppy today. Why is this going to just be choppy today? That freaking sucks. Okay, I love tech. What minerals? Like, I don't know how to say this without sounding dumb, but like mineral salts, is that something you just can go buy at Dischem and you say, I want mineral salts, or do you need like specific salts, or is it called mineral salts? You know, I'm sorry if that sounds like a dumb question. How will water dehydrate you more? Oh, you like my accent, thank you. And Eduardo, hi, how you doing? And another one from Brazil, that's so cool. That is amazing. Hey, Batman Man! I love that. I love that name. Batman Man? Hi, how you doing? How am I so happy? I mean, wow, that's a very strong question. What's not to be happy about? You know, the alternative is to be sad, and sad backwards is das, and das not good. Brayden, it's 12 in the morning. Go to sleep. Oh my gosh, why are you awake? Sarav, hi. Real sea salt. Like, do you just add a teeny tiny pinch? Because ironically, my horse gets sea salt. But but my horse gets treated a lot better than I do. My horse gets physio and chiro, and I'm like, no, I don't need any of that. I'm fine. Batman man, why don't a lot of people like your name? I think it's super cool. Where am I from? I am from South Africa. What do I think about the shutdown? I'm just staying neutral. Yeah, I'm staying neutral. I think it's absolutely terrible with regards to trading, as we can see today. But at least I got you guys company, right? To keep me going through this oh so boring time of the stock market, because what is this? Do we think there's going to be, I mean, I say it's still early. It's still early-ish, you know. Potentially we might get something decent coming now, which will be great. I'm hoping something decent pops up. Do I want to trade? Primarily magnesium. I've heard magnesium. To be fair, someone even said I must put my horse on magnesium. And I was like, yeah, I'll get my horse magnesium. Maybe I need to get myself some. What am I using to trade on? Hey, Philipple. Well, I'm on Project X right now with Tradeify. Is that what you're asking? Do I want to play any Roblox games? I mean, I haven't actually played any, which is terrible. I should maybe start getting on that, right? Oop. Do we have some momentum? Are we going to have a shift down? Is this happening? Is this finally happening? Let's see. Nope. Okay, I got excited for no reason. Ruben, how is the weather? It's just overcast and rainy, and if it's not overcast and rainy, it is so windy that it's nearly knocked me over. I was not expecting that. Literally, I was walking and then all of a sudden there was a swoosh and I was like, okay. You know, when you have to physically try and balance yourself out, that's how windy it's been. But yeah, today it's overcast. Let's see, according to weather apps, which I trust, not that much. According to the weather app, it should clear up this afternoon. But it does mean I got absolutely no beach time this weekend, which kind of sucks. How's it by you, Ruben? Damn, Yesh, well done. Hi, Ruben, yeah, sorry. That's valid, Batman man. Do you do trading? Chima, what do I do besides trading? I ride my horses. Wait. I love tech. Ooh, then maybe I should, because, I mean, it's super humid here. Not today, because, well, not for the past 2 weeks, because it has just been raining. But when it was not, my goodness. Oh, Batman man, they said it's childish. Well, they must grow up. Just like. Ronaldo, no, I'm in South Africa. I love tech. That's very interesting. I also know, so not always. Wait. Oh my gosh, we have some movement. Oh my gosh, we have movement. Let's just make sure that it continues and it's not just a bit of a liquidity grab. Oh my gosh, finally. What time is it? Okay, let's see. Ooh, okay, whoa, I missed something. I love tech. You're getting used to the gold volatility. Nice. Hey Ben, what up? Ronaldo, thank you. Version 100, how? Bowen, hi. Ruben, what side of the world are you from in South Africa? Callum, hi. And Joey, what up? Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, you also KZN? Are you? Ah, nice. Nice, Ruben. Batman, man. Sure, why not? You can play Roblox. Senpai Loud. I can show you my setup now. Oh, and bonjour, Lucas. How are you doing? Oh, there's just so many. I love it. Yes, you love horse riding. My dream is to get a horse and personally use it. No cars. I mean, no, you need cars. Just personally. Hi, Life. What up? How's it going? How was your weekend, High Life? Oh, boxing historian? Never. Never, never. Chima? Who knows? Okay, Harlan. Okay, shall we see now if this was just indeed a bit of a liquidity grab? You know, do I trust this momentum down, or was this very intentional to try and get people? Let's see. If I had to do it from here. That. I don't know if it's gonna come up this high though. Nope. I think this is just gonna run away. This would be quite a good one. I mean, I got VWAP below. Got the fair value gap, and I got a bit of a shelf. This is not terrible apart from the fact that I have a feeling this is just liquidity grab through and through. Yeah, it's gonna keep just going down. And once it's taken all that liquidity, don't really want to be in, because then it might just come and go all the way back up. Go on, Jay. What's the best life motto? Damn. Shiva, you go for it. How many time with trade? So I've only been trading since April. Yes, I am. Ah, Ruben, I am south. Nice. This wouldn't have got me in, but it would have been a goodie. And now it's done this liquidity grab of relative equal lows. Is it gonna keep going down? That is the question. What do we think, guys? Was this a fake out, or is this actually gonna start dropping down? No, this is not crypto. And Trade Delicious, hi, how are you? Jay, that was... No, guys, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Now that it's taken out the liquidity and it's popped into this level that it has been respecting. Chima, what do you think? Kofu? High Life? What do you guys think it's gonna happen? Is it gonna keep going down now? It tapped into VWAP on yes. Is it just bouncing off? Oh, Angelo, hi! Hey, Lewis. I'm not even British. I'm South African, believe it or not. I mean, I do have some confluences, But like I said, it did just take out a bunch of liquidity. Okay, give me 2 seconds. My dog is asking to be let out. The fact that it took out relative equal lows is the only reason I'm not confident in this trade, because it could have a massive retest backup. Let me see. What do you guys think? Shout out from Japan. That is so cool. I love take it has. That's the thing. Thank you. It looks 50-50. Should I risk it and just try? Because I do have a few things in my corner. I mean, I got the fair value gap. I got the shelf bag. You know what? I'm going to stick with my confluences. Like I said, the only thing that's not in my corner is the fact that it took out a bunch of liquidity. So it could come and screw me with regards to my stop loss. But then it's just something for me to take note of. Let's see. Shima, see, you can buy now, that's a buy. This is the Nasdaq futures. Yeah, let's see. I don't want to be in this, but I have to let my dog out. I mean, worst case, it's just gonna stop me out. Okay, guys, watch this for me. I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, I'm back. Oh, it didn't get me. Okay, if it creates a little bit of a higher low, I'm gonna close it because I do not know. Hi guys, sorry. What did I miss? Crypto trading. I agree with you, except for the fact that we've slowly been going in a bearish direction on the lower time frames. But I do agree on the higher time frames, 100%. So I mean, if we check the 15-minute. Oh, wait, 15. I mean, it's just looks like it's going sideways still in the 15-minute, but it did make a lower high, and the 1 hour is just going sideways. Wow, the 1 hour does not look great. The 1 hour is just barcoding. Okay. I don't think it's gonna come and get me. Hey, Ace Ventura, how's it doing? How's it doing? How's it going? Oh, LP is using the full range. Okay, wait. Let's watch this. I'm just saying, if it did come get me, that would have been a win. I'm just putting it out there. Okay, took liquidity on ES now as well. I love tech, right? Hey, Prof23, how's it going? Mohammed, what made it a low probability? Like I said, if it had come to get me, it would have been a win. Not with this range, sorry. I was here. If it came a little bit higher to tag me in, it would have been an awesome win, but unlux it did not, and it is what it is. Major distance and pips. Oh, thanks, Prof23. Tech speaker. I have heard about the volume profiles. So I'm actually trading auction market theory at the moment. Okay. See? Like I said, I just go with the trend, and right now, for now, the trend is bearish. In the short term. It might just be bearish for now because it's grabbing some liquidity and then it's going to shift to bullish. But as of right now, it is a little bit on, there we go, the bearish side, and it's going back down again. Let's see if I'd done this one. That's not where I would have had it. I would have had it there. Whoops, it would have missed me. That would have sucked. That would have been annoying. Would have been a win though. Right? Trend is friend until it's not. Oh, okay, so Bitcoin and gold are going up. Interesting. Mohammed, but that's exactly, but with scalpers you can trade the short term. I'm not trading long term. I'm very much a scalper. So for short term, would this not be a goodie? Ooh, okay. Since COVID. Interesting. Hey Will, how's it going? You're from Pretoria? That is so cool. You used to live in Pretoria. Now I'm down in KZN, living the beach life. This hourly candle closes bearish. You going in? Yeah, let's... I don't know why I'm waiting for more confirmation. This is very much just going down. Is this going for the NWOG? No. No ways. Do you guys think this is heading for NWOG? I've marked it out here. This low-key looks like it's heading towards NWOG. So the Asia hit, there we go, yeah. Asia low just hit on ES. Taking out more liquidity now. Well, it's about to take that one out. I shouldn't have actually deleted that, but anyways. Thanks, Tick. I'll have a look. Thank you, Bonnet. Hey, well, that's amazing. How long have you been trading for? No. 2 micros on ES and NQ for damn, okay, okay. Just checking that wasn't. This is a very big push up. Is this range too big? This range might be too big. Or it could be perfect. This is properly pushing now. Hey, Carols, how you doing? To Friday's low. Friday's low? Wow. Hey, Famous, what up? Boom, that is amazing. Well done. Is this just a retest? Is this a confirmation? Is this a shift? Yeah, this is a massive rejection off of that Asia low. Holy moly, but let's see. Is it going to keep going up or is it going to come back down soon? I mean, it's now made an inverted fair value gap. With all the liquidity it's just taken, it's actually why I didn't hop in on this trade, because I kind of expected a massive pullback, which does sometimes screw me and then work out. So I was like, let's wait and see. No, I don't, Daniel. I don't use any AI tools. There we go. English. The dollar just rallied. Damn, well done. Hey, 847 Global, how's it going? Hey, David. Too slow by Asia low. Oh, well, I was actually looking for shorts, so am I too slow? Because then I was, see, now because of this massive push up, is it going to continue going up? Now it's tapped into the inverted fair value gap. Or we're gonna continue short. Yeah, interesting, Ruben, why not? Miss. I don't know how I feel about that, but okay. Okay, respecting respecting the fair value gap. Global, yeah, it was fine. It was fine. Like I said, I'm ironically, you know, I would prefer being in bed. Hey Roshan, how's it going? Oh, sorry, Ruben. I thought you were calling me Miss. I was like, okay. Oh, okay, got it. Hey, Mohammed, how's it going? Thanks for the sub, Brayden. I mean, Ruben, how long did you try for, out of curiosity? You still think Naz is going down? It's respecting this fair value gap, but not as much as I thought it would. I could still put a stop sell here, but that feels cheeky. Boom Banana, you think it's gonna go down? Okay, well now that it's going far-ish enough back up, I can put a stop sell. Let's see. Let me make it for 3. You know, the question is always, is it a fake out or not? Tapped into... Can always just do that. Who comes back down below? Awesome sauce. Sorry, sell stop, my bad. I mean, this is eval account. Let's see what happens. The fact that the volume has slowed down a lot is giving me hope. The top step, no, this is a trader fight. Unfortunately, I don't got top step here in South Africa. It looks like it wants to go down on ES. It's just not dropping as much as I would have hoped on NQ. Let's see. For risk management, I mean, there's a few things that I do with regards to risk management. Number 1 is A+ trades. Number 2 is, when in doubt, just mitigate the risk a little bit. I was doing break-evens, but I have come to realize that break-evens have screwed me in the long run, so I gave myself 10 trades to just do normal, and then the next 10 trades. I'm on 8 of 10, so there's 2 more trades to go. Then after that, I'll do 10 trades again where I do not go break-even, which is a little bit scary for me, but it is what it is. Roshan, all in. Yeah, it's become like, but hi. Oh my goodness, did you guys see a little hairy? Kind of. Okay. Huh. Maybe we're going up. Roshan, well, I mean, I'm not up anything yet today, and I'm only trading the one. Like I said, I'm still new. I'm not here to lie either. I am not profitable yet, guys. So if you're here hoping to watch me and get profitable, I'm not there yet. I'm not here to lie. I'm here because I'm still learning. I'm still figuring things out. I am on an eval account. I'm slowly climbing back up, which is cool. I did have a red week, not last week, the week before. And I'm climbing back up from that red week that I had. Ronnie? Yes and no, because of the fact, you can see, I doubted it because of this inverted fair value gap. And the fact that, sorry, there's something stuck in my throat. What is the problem? Okay, anyways. And the fact that my stop loss would have been right by the VWAP. But with regards to everything else, I would have called it one. Oh, and because it had obviously taken out all of that liquidity, which is why I didn't have a normal entry. I waited for it to go above. And now I've made it a stealth stop. Yes, did I butcher that again? No? Mark 1? I hope I didn't. Mark 1 purely... Oh, see, that would have been a lot. Purely just because of the fact that my friend that introduced me to trading introduced me to futures. And like I said, I want to get good at this before I start messing around with other areas of trading, if that makes sense. Ruben, trading in the zone. Interesting. Okay. So that would have been a loss. Cool. So I'm glad I kind of trusted myself with regards to it's taken out a bunch of liquidity. This is going to be a hectic retest back up. Previous month you passed 2 eval top stiff. Oh my gosh, Roshan. Oh my word. What happened? Right, but that's why I didn't take the risk. See, that's why I specifically waited, and then I was like, okay, now that it's gone up, if it does come back down, it will tag me and it should go back down properly. See. Aw, thank you. I appreciate that. On the 15, we have 2 top touching and it's close on the Until Friday. Need to go down. Okay, interesting. And NQ is testing a 1-minute order block. Yes. Is it going to reject off of it though? I mean, it completely just disregarded the VWAP. So, let's see. Thanks, Poop. Yeah, guys, if you wouldn't mind pressing that like button, that would be amazing. Mark 1? Oh, yes. Sorry, there's no cooler explanation. It's just purely for that fact. Aw, thanks, Margaret. But yes, guys, if you wouldn't mind pressing that like button, that would be greatly appreciated. And if you guys are with any of the above, I kind of want to say above, yeah, kind of above, the above prop firms, and you guys want to help me out and use my affiliate code, that would be amazing. If not, like I said, I'm not here to force you guys to do anything. Ooh, Roshan. Ooh, coming here with the good questions. So, sorry, I don't actually know what I'm waiting for. I feel like I'm overthinking a teeny tiny tad bit right now, because this one potentially. No, potentially not. That's not great. Never mind. Oh, thanks, Tech. Yeah, that's the plan. So essentially I was a trainer, but I was working for someone. And, whoop, okay, just blew right through the app on here. Oh, let's see, a little bit of rejection off it. And basically, this sounds like I'm being a little bit arrogant, so I do apologize if it comes off that way. I've just been told this by a lot of people, so I'm just relaying the message of, essentially, I'm just too nice and people take advantage of it. So if they say, can you work like 3 extra hours? I'll just say, yeah, sure, but I won't ask for, you know, the extra pay for those 3 hours. So, you know, people love to take advantage of people that like to give and be helpful. And I'm kind of sick of it, because then obviously burnout is a very real and annoying thing, and it's what I ended up getting because people were just trying to take advantage. So I decided, screw it, I don't want to be controlled. I think that's a good word. I don't want to be controlled by anyone anymore. And this way, I'm not saying it's an easy way out, because believe me, I've realized this is not easy at all. Like I said, I'm not profitable yet. I'm still learning. But this is a way to eventually get freedom and not have to rely on other people. And I think that's awesome. That's a bullish structure bottomed out. Thanks, I love tech. And thanks for the subs, guys. 100% Roshan. So it's more to do with the fact of I am kind of sick and tired of being taken advantage of. So I want to be able to have freedom. Like financial freedom, just freedom from having to rely on people, all of that. That's the dream, if you will. This is not bad. I quite like this one. Let's see if this works. Let's make it limit buy. Let's make it 4, because this is rather small. And then SMCs. Stop sell, because now if we check the 2-minute, I got 2 fair value gaps. Okay, I'm not going to change anything because I need it to be accurate. The stop loss could be lower. Okay, you and your animals. Ooh, I got the view app there on the 5-minute. The 5-minute, this looks awesome. Again, stop loss might be a tiny bit. Let's see. Let's see. I like what it looks like on the 5-minute, but this could just completely break through and keep going down. I'm hoping I'm wrong, but let's see. The point of these 10 were for me to just take it without overthinking too much. So that's what I'm doing. And to stick with my strategy. So again, that's what I'm doing. I'm sticking with it. Hey Yash, how's it going? Hey Batman man, you're back. What happened? I thought you were going to bed. 78 would need to hold. Bendy, no, no. Maybe this was not correct at all. But I had the fair value gap. I had my shelf. I was hoping it was going to listen to VWAP. Let's see. It's now kind of hands off. Kind of hands off if it hits the break-even point, because for at least the next 2 trades, I'm sticking with what I normally do, which means at around the 50% level, I go break even, which is soon if it closes above. 4, 3, okay, it's gone above, we're good. Okay, so break even. Let's see. Stefan, stop loss is below the no wick candle for you. Okay, nice, nice. Let's see. You're reading my face there. What is my face saying? Roshan, for the one I'm on or the ones I'm affiliated with, because they all have different rules, so it depends on who you are. Hey, Brayden! Yo, what up? Support is holding. Okay, let's see. I love tech. Yes and no, because remember, I even said I'm potentially not going to be doing it anymore. Come on, go a little bit higher to at least take me out. No, it did not take me out yet. But I'm hands off, I'm leaving it alone. Am I a biker nun today? Interesting. Does this give biker vibes? Bendy? Hey, scalper. Daylight saving here in Australia. Is it? When did that start? Or is it starting? What's the plan? Is this gonna come take me out? That is gonna be so rude. Interesting. Oh! Nice! Roshan, so sweet and simply, I heard that trading can be boring. And I mean, obviously, the friend that introduced me to trading can only do so much, you know. They have lives, they can't sit here and teach me all the time. So I thought, you know, to grow a community of like-minded people that want to just sit and chat together and help each other out and teach each other things would be amazing. And it was a way for me to kind of, in a way, live journal my journey, if you will. Like I said, if you guys want to see some entertaining stuff, yeah, you should see some of my first streams. You can see I have absolutely no cooking clue what I'm talking about. Looking back on them, I go, oh, this is very cringe. This is... Oh. Hey, how's it going? Hopefully clearing the 2 no weeks above. Let's see. I hope, Stefan. I hope. Okay, that's about right. Okay, but it's fine. Let's see. It's not over yet. Okay, oh, I can. Like I said, it's very simple. I was busy watching. I should probably not. I mean, I'm not gonna say anything until this trade is done. So let me be quiet. What? Hey, CJ. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Oh, come on, like a tiny bit more up. Just a little. Yes. Okay. Winning. Amazing. Okay. So number 9. Yeah, this is. What? Oh my goodness. Oof, and this is now going to the moon. Amazing. Okay. So number 9 of 10 was a win. This is a good start to a Monday, guys. I'm chuffed. This is a good start to a Monday. And you can see I'm feeling a little bit more confident because I did risk a little bit more this time, which is good. Like I said, when you lose your confidence, it's a big blow. So it's good to be feeling a little bit better with regards to everything. And okay, and one last texty text. This is 9 of 10, guys. One more trade to go, and then I will start not going break even. Because how many break evens did I have? Let's say I had 3, 4, 5. I think I had 5 break evens. I think so. I think I had 5 break evens. Last week was weird, but anyways, I had 5 break evens. Out of the 5, 3 would have been wins and 2 would have been losses. So in the grand scheme of things, by going break even, I lost profits. Fucky, it's too early for trading. Is it? Anyways. Thank you, Ronnie. Right? Yeah. I'm glad I trusted myself with regards to that. I'm very glad I trusted myself. That was a very good one. Okay, cool. Now, what time is it? Awesome. Has daylight saving now taken effect? Is this true? Boom banana, it was indeed. Hey Eric, what up? And Stefan, you think now it's a sell? Oh, interesting, Scalper. So the reason for the entry. So, number one, it respected this inverted fair value gap really nicely. 2, it went above VWAP on ES, which was awesome. 3, let me just show you the setup again. Quick sticks. There we go. On the time, especially the 5 minute, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. So if you check the 5 minute, number 1, I had a VWAP as a confluence. I had a fair value gap. I had this shelf and an order block. So I mean, that's 4 confluences saying that this is a good trade to be taking, as well as obviously this massive wick down, kind of pointing out that it's potentially going to start going up. So that was my reason for why this was a really good, valid A+ trade for me. I mean, there was 4 confluences. It was headed in that direction. It had a higher low and it was still going up, and it created, actually theoretically it created 2 higher lows. Yeah, there was the risk of maybe it wouldn't tag me in because VWAP was up there, but in general I tend to notice it wicks a little bit below or above VWAP and then it continues. CJ. Hi from Jamaica, that is so cool. It's at supply right now. Am I from Australia? No, I'm from South Africa, actually. But yes, just to give you an idea of that. With regards to my strategy, it's a very basic strategy. Very basic. I mean, as you can see or hear from what I said, obviously I look for confluences, but essentially it's an auction market theory strategy. So I'm trying to explain this quickly, but not too quickly. I just go bottom of the range to top of the range. 50% is entry. 30% of the entry is my stop loss. Like I said, there's confluences that I look for to confirm that it is a good trade and stick with trend. Trend is friend. And then 2R up is my take profit. Yeah, that's basically it. I've been using this for what, two months now? August, yeah, like 2 months, and it is slowly getting me out of the red, because before that I was not doing great. Yeah, not doing great and kind of strategy hopping and trying to figure out things, and this one's actually been working for me. I've been enjoying it. Aw, thank you, Raphael, that's so nice. Beastmaster, you hate NQ? Hey, Ellie, what up? Scalper, thank you. I wish I held it a bit longer. Yeah, but what I was gonna say is, I know theoretically I could eventually get to the point where maybe I take partials, and if I see like it's headed for a specific liquidity, if I think it's headed for liquidity grab, I can maybe take partials at my normal 2R and then have some higher. I think I'm still getting a bit more confident with regards to that. So that, I think that's just my reasoning. I'm still getting a little bit more confident. Once I'm like, okay, cool, we are winning, let's do this, I can start being a little bit more, I don't want to say greedy, but I can start pushing a little bit more with regards to my Rs. Yeah, Lewis? Yep. What would confirm I'm from South Africa properly is if I go, yeah, no. But anyways. Ellie, what are the confluences I look for? So, I mean, there's a few. I try to aim for at least 3 for it to be an A+ setup. But with regards to the confluences, there's VWAP, there's fair value gaps, there's order blocks, and I call it shelves. I call it a shelf. Shout out to your clothing brand, the RLP collection. Cool. Oh, thank you. 12Z, I look 29. I'm actually turning 27. I don't know if that's a compliment or not. Maybe I just look older. LP, now that it took quite a bit of, oh, I guess it didn't take the liquidity. It made a double top on ES. Now it's made a double top. And it took a bunch of liquidity. I expect the retest to be a little bit further down. I could be wrong. Let's see if this would have been a win. I think this is going to retest a little bit further. Let's see. I think this is going to retest a little bit further. Especially with these wicks. Again, I could be wrong. Let's see. Maybe I've missed this trade. But the double top on ES is not promising. With regards to confluences, taking this range would theoretically be better. Let's see. This looks like it's wanting to retest a little bit further. Oh, thanks for the subs, guys. I love tech. These trades are too low for your RR to pass the eval. I love tech. Weren't you going to try going a little bit higher with the RR? You need to enter on the bigger pivot points. Okay. 15-minute range, busy playing out. Oh, thanks, Raphael. I appreciate that. And Sigma, yo, what up? Where's the dog? He's literally lying behind me right now, so I cannot move my chair, or else he might get squished, which is not great. Muted. Am I profitable yet? Nope. Well, I mean, I'm in profits for today. Trying to get my RR from entering at reversals, extreme axis, and minimums. Oh, okay, so you're looking for like a deep discount zones, right? I love tech. It sounds like you wanting to do a little bit like what Dark Angel does. I know she does like proper deep discount zones. And all the way up to some very high levels. But I think you have to hold for quite a while for those, which is good. It's good. Yeah. You go by no X, a sun below could hit and go back up or continue to go down. Okay. Ellie, is ICT a scammerino? I don't think so. You know, there's a lot of politics around that. I love tech. Oh, coffee. Yeah. Especially in the mornings. I mean, this is coffee right now. Muted. Don't I think day trading is pointless? Better off switching trading, entering with yes, no, and there's greed. Muted. Yes and no. It helps. How do I put this? It works for my brain. I don't know if I'm brave enough to whoop. Here we go. Let's see if this is heavy. Like I said, this is why I wasn't too keen on entering here. I could be wrong. This could now start shooting up. Oh. Yeah, I love tech. Yeah, no. I've tried that, didn't work so well. Ooh, hiccups. Okay, it's gonna bounce off of VWAP on ES. It's gonna keep going down. It's getting a little bit cold now. I don't think you guys can see, but I have goosebumps. Diamante, hi. How are you? Where have you been? Is trading complicated? I feel like we make it complicated. Theoretically, we should try and keep it simple, but it's not always that easy. Okay, do you really have a horned toad? Aw, thanks, Raphael. You're amazing. Okay, let's see. Okay, on VWAP, on ES, is this now going to just keep going down? Let's see. Muted, I mean, that's pretty valid. It's the emotional and psychological, there we go, not the psychology side of it. It's rough. And like I said, I only started working on that properly middle of August. It's hard. I sometimes make mistakes still where I'm like, just go for it. Don't do that. Never do that. Thanks, Boob. Yeah, guys, if you guys are having fun, if you guys wouldn't mind liking the stream, that would be amazing. You put 3 stocks that will pop, except I'm not doing stocks, am I? I'm doing the NASDAQ futures. But is there anyone that is doing stocks? Maybe you guys agree? Hey, Shaika, how you doing? I apologize if I did not say that correctly. Okay. Let's wait for confirmation. It's sitting on VWAP on ES. Is it going to go up or is it going to go down? Thank you, Raphael. I was gonna say something. What was I gonna say? Boom, do you think this is going up or down? Up. Okay. Looks like potentially it's gonna go up. You think so, Matt? Or Matthew, sorry. Okay, should you short? I'm not sure. Stefan, just gold and NAS for you. Nice. I've been looking into gold. Gold looks quite fun at the moment. Damn, would this have been a winning trade? To be fair, I don't know which direction it's going to go now. That's kind of why I didn't take this trade. For me, it feels like it could go either way. Is it going to stick with the bullish? Was this a mistake to not enter? Or is the retest going to be huge? Boom, you think it's gonna go up, then New York just tanks. Interesting. Interesting. Let's see. Kiko, you're long. The Horned Toad says short. Awesome. Cool, so we are at a crossroads. Richard, what the heck? I'm so sorry, what happened? How did you break your arm? Tube, you're going long. Offman, hey! And Stefan, sell is on for you, cool. Great. Okay. Give me 2 seconds. I think the pool guys are here. In which case, I need to quickly close the door so my dog does not... He won't eat them, but he will bark really loud. Okay, I'm back. Oh, I see we are just consolidating. Okay, sorry. My dog got very offended there. Apologies. Raphael, it's 3:21 in the morning. Wow. Okay. Gold hitting 4K. Richard, you have 8 weeks. Playground, you have 8 weeks until it's sorted. Jeez. Boom Banana, you're hungry. Go get food. Damn. Go get something like nummy out of the fridge. Bitcoin, what's that? Yeah. Are we literally just consolidating? So, by the sounds of things, there is a 50-50 going on right now. Half of you think this is going to be a sell, half of you think this is going to be a buy. I really don't know. It did just take out a bunch of liquidity. So I expected this little bit of a bigger move down. Is it gonna keep going higher up though? Double check the volume. It looked here. I don't know. Boom Banana. My bad. Bye. Oh, Rafa, you can't sleep? I'm sorry. Oh gosh, apparently I got attitude today. Might be. Well, I will be better. Okay. I take it back. I will not be better. Boom. How dare you? But chips and dip does sound amazing. Okay, the caterpillar says short as well. Oh, okay. Well, if the caterpillar says short. Gold is a scam. They've been run out. They sell tickets and supply. Are you sure about that? I don't feel like gold's a scam. Silver is better. Ronnie, can you hear me? We're hitting a dollar resistance tense. Dollar comes back down, MNQ goes up. Do you think it's going to go back down? I love tech. Or are we just literally kind of waiting to see what happens now? Richard, your name is Lily. Huh, what? Wait, hi? I feel like I missed something. Wait. Hey, Raul? I apologize if I did not say that correctly. Has a massive $20 straight up gold is a scam. Gold, it's a rock. CJ, yes, this is the 1 minute chart right here, which is actually a valid point. Let's have a quick look at what's happening on the 15 minute. Big wick down to grab liquidity. And now kind of back in range. And the 1 hour. Sorry, let's get rid of all that for a second. On the 1 hour, we are still just going sideways. So that sucks. The 1 hour is just barcoding, which is not ideal. I mean, maybe it'll start to pop up again. Okay, let's check. Bring this back. Hey Melvin, how's it going? Do I have pretty feet? I don't know. Ow. Ow. Ow, Richard, ow. Hey Michelle, how's it going? How are you? How has the trading been, more importantly? Anyways, Nintendo? I apologize if I am actually not saying that correctly. This is Project X. What? D'Annu, are you serious? Well done. Okay, Vishal. Okay, cool. Cool. What are you hoping to see though? Longs, shorts? Oh, that was really good. That was really good. Well done. Yeah. We're always 3 moves from a million. I guess. Theoretically, you're not wrong. It's just if you win or not. Because then you're also 3 moves to being completely bankrupt. Do I think the AI bubble will pop soon? I don't know. I really don't know. I've never been one to actually use it. Does anyone here really use AI? Okay. Oh, this is just chopping around. I'm kind of glad I'm not in this trade. Can you imagine it just going on my entry the whole time? It's sitting on VWAP on ES. Like I said, I feel this could go either way right now. I just needed to move and not barcode slash chop slash just flatline. I mean, yeah, CJ. I mean, I guess apart from ChatGPT, you use ChatGPT to ask it questions. Okay. Okay, Kay, nice. Nice. Yes, and it's just getting started with regards to the AI. Yeah, I know. But do we think that's a good thing or a bad thing? I think that's the next question. Is AI going to be a positive turning point? Wow, this is getting really political up in here. But is AI going to be a positive change or is it going to be a disaster? And it's a weird, yeah. Nintendo? Interesting. You are Lily and you are 10 years old. Cute, hi. How are you, Lily? Yeah, Tesla. South Africa takes no responsibility. I'm putting that out there. Just saying. Ronnie, both. Okay, why do you say both? Okay, Raphael. You make clothes. You make clothes using AI. Pips and dips. Yeah. Emma, hi. How are you? How's it going? Ah, welcome. Welcome, Emma. Yeah. This is very fun channel, I like to think. NQ could go up. Out of the oh, okay. That's the thing, and like, I mean, I don't know. Could AI end up being what some of the movies try and say? You know, it's like they're gonna take over the world. I don't know. Maybe by that point, I'll be long gone. Yes, over 200. Okay, Kiko. CJ. My bias was bullish to start with. Obviously there was a big retracement back down. I'm still... Right now I'm not sure. Part of me is still thinking bullish. But with this just sideways movement, I don't like to trade in the chop. Oh, is it going to now stop being choppy? Do we have some? Nope, never mind. I got excited. Yeah, I try not to trade in the chop. It just doesn't work for my strategy. I mean, I'm not upset. I've gotten a trade in today. I'm up. I'm in the green so far, which is awesome. Even if I end up not placing another trade for this day, it's not the end of the world because I'm back for New York session still. So there might still be plenty of trades this afternoon. I know Boom Banana thinks it's potentially going to be bearish for New York session. I'm not sure if you guys agree. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, by the way. Oh, okay, bye, Richard. Bye. Yeah, CJ, yeah. If I have learned anything, it's just... the chop is not worth it. It's not worth it. I know sometimes FOMO wants to come into play and you're like, I'm sure I can just do it. It's fine. Fine. It's not worth it. Just don't do it. I love tech. Right, yeah, but that's exactly why I'm like, maybe not the best idea to do it right now. Stop all ahead, only take the A+ setups. Right. Emma, we are trading, like CJ Johnson says, MNQ, or, you know, the Nasdaq futures, micros, for me, to be more specific. Hey, I love tech, me and you. Check, I'm up $110 today. Which is not bad. Like I said, I'm feeling a little bit more confident to place a little bit higher trade, higher risk. There we go. I'm gonna have to go and look at that. RLP. I'm gonna go have a look at that. That sounds interesting. NFL's rigged. Team is now watching them come back. Really? Ellie, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It could be. Do you guys think it's oil spring pump, or I know some people call it a bull flag? Yeah? Do we think that's what's happening? Is it just consolidating to grab some liquidity to have momentum? But momentum in which direction? That's always the thing. CJ Johnson, that's exactly what I'm feeling right now. With MNQ recently, it's been doing this, as I mean, you've seen now, the down and up and down and up and down and up, which is not ideal because it's not sticking with the trend anymore, which freaks me out a little bit. Okay, we had a little bit of movement down on ES. Is it going to continue to go down? Is it going to start pushing a little bit higher? I mean, I don't have a need for another trade. Like I said, I am up, which is not bad, and I am still back here for New York, and here I am hoping that New York has a little bit more going on. No, I say that. This push here was actually really decent. I shouldn't be complaining. This was actually a really good trade. So I must just shush and see where this goes. What about C3 AI? Lock? Actually don't know what that is, to be fair, which is terrible. Yeah, it looked like it did a double tap on ES as well. However, it did not take out the highs yet on ES. So is it going to go back for the highs? Is it going to back for now these equal highs that it's created before it melts? Or is it just going to keep going down? AMZ, do I hold or trade crypto? No, only the Nasdaq futures right now. Of course, Raphael. Okay, you listen to the Toad. Okay, so Kay's brand new Toad that he found in his shoe, long story, is that it's gonna go short. Let's see. If it goes short, I think we all need to start listening to the Toad, because that'll be flipping amazing. Ronnie, you have 130 target. Ronnie, are you bearish or bullish bias right now? Oh, sorry, Kate. The Toad and the Caterpillar might be. Ellie, what dog do I have? He's a rescue. So he's a proper mixed breed. Go for it, Raphael. Yeah, why not? I don't mind. Came back national and some guys straight up told us he gets a script of all the plays. You lie. Really? Nintendo? Are you serious? I don't know about that one. Oh, that's okay, Raphael. I appreciate you asking. Hey, Kay, was your frog and caterpillar correct? Mr. Black Eyes, hi, what up? Hi, hello, oopsie, there's a little nose. Okay, Ronnie, let's see. That's super interesting. Yeah. At the end of the day, I guess it's just entertainment, right? Okay, so far so good. Let's see. This is just choppy. Gosh, I need to get rid of this headache so badly. It's actually driving me crazy. It'll go away soon. It'll go away soon. It'll be fine. Taryn, are you asking if I trade in gold? I do not. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, but there are quite a bunch of people here that do indeed trade on gold. I know. Okay, yes, I have been told drink some salt water. I will go and do that as soon as the stream is done. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that we've just been going sideways. Oh, how long now? Basically 20 minutes, nearly 25 minutes we've just been going sideways. Oh my greatness. Oh, wait. Do we finally have something? Nope. Hey, Taryn, that's cool. American muscle, you think it is? Really? Hey, Zane, how's it going? American muscle, you should trade your wife for gold. I don't think she would appreciate that, just saying. Okay, Raphael, you just got an idea. I'm all ears, what up? I have not watched Family Guy. I've watched a bunch of other things though. Waiting to take a sell to pull up the next week. I mean next week, the new week, the NWOG. There we go. Let's just stick with NWOG. Zane? I kinda also thought it was. I thought that's what that dip was about to do. I've even marked out, wait. You can see this is the NWOG. I really thought this jumped down. Maybe it's gonna happen during the New York session. Maybe the NWOG full will happen during New York? What do you think? An espresso and squeeze half a lemon? Dips and dips? Really? That's very interesting. Okay. I've never heard of that. I've heard of the salt water. I've never heard of the lemon in coffee. Okay. It's like, so Bob, another fellow community member, said, so this isn't like a life hack to help with something. It was just we're having conversations about weird combinations of food that work really well. And he said if you add a little bit of salt to watermelon, it makes it taste amazing. I have not tried it. I really want to though. I'm very curious. Damn, Andre. Damn. I mean, I will keep my opinion. Right. Let me just probably get some more caffeine out of the coffee. But doesn't caffeine dehydrate you? Hey, Percy K, how's it going? Why are we just going sideways? What does it look like on the 15s? Nope, still just... Get rid of this again. Still just barcoding. In the 1 hour, well, I mean, probably no real change. Nope, no real change. Cool. Like I said, I can't complain. I am up. I did have a win, which is awesome, but seriously. I actually don't, Raphael, sorry. Catch me outside, how about that, Mr. Blackheart? Okay. Caffeine does help? Really? I thought it would do the opposite. Huh. It might be a good product. I mean, Raphael, it could be if you market it correctly, I guess. Dorian Gray? Am I? No. No, I am Caucasian. I'm assuming you're asking me. Can you enter a cycle on the caffeine wheel? Ah. Hey Duncan, what's up? To be honest, yes and no. I didn't backtest for very long. I must have backtested for like okay, let's say a month. Let's say a month. Before I started. And I mean, it's taken me a while to find something that I do enjoy, because then I would also, unfortunately, I did do a little bit of strategy hopping, which I know is not good. Don't do that. Stick to a strategy that you enjoy and go with it. And this is what this is. And now I'm, in a way, I'm kind of forward testing live. This is what I'm marking out. So this is trade 9 of 10. So one more trade, and then I'm going to do 10 more where I do not go break even. Because going break even, I think I had 5. Sorry, I have hiccups. I think I had 5 break evens. 3 of them would have been wins, and 2 would have been losses. So then at the end of the day, I would have been, decently in profits if I hadn't have gone break even. So that's what I'm going to try next. And good morning, Duncan. Sorry, yes, how are you? Mr. Black Eyes, your eyes are black. Are they actually genuinely black? Percy, we are trading the NASDAQ futures. Daniel, how are you? I mean, I had a win, so that's good. We are in the green for today. And now it's literally just going sideways. There was a decent melt, then there was a decent push up, and now it's just chopping. So, you know, I can't really complain. It had a really good trade this morning, so that's great. And I am still back for the New York session later. If you guys are around and you want to join in for some more chaotic fun. But anyway. Kate Kane? Hi, should I subscribe? I mean, that's up to you, isn't it? And Leonard, how tall am I? I am 164 centimeters. Sorry, I don't know how tall that is in feet, but I'm 164 centimeters. The toad's either way. Okay, you and this toad. Does the toad have a name, or are you just gonna call it toad? Kiko, what are my confluences? So can I show you with this winning trade? Because like I said, I really liked this winning trade. Let me just pop it across slightly. Nope, I had it there. That's where it was. There we go. I specifically enjoyed it on the 5-minute for this trade. So the confluences just on the 1 minute, you can see VWAP is above stop loss. There is fair value gaps, and there is this, I call it a shelf. See, I'm just gonna draw it here. I call this a bit of a shelf as protection for my stop loss. 2 minute, no, I said I liked it a lot on the 5 minute. Here we go. Then on the 5 minute again, you can see that entry point was awesome. Below it is a fair value gap as not confirmation, as a barrier if you will. Yeah. And an order block with this massive flipping wick, which means it tends to respect it. Not always, but it does tend to respect it a little bit more. And the inverted fair value gap was also a major thing because it tends to respect that and come back into it. So it was really good for entry. And again, VWAP was on my side for once, so that's cool. Oh, I must actually take note of that point. On that note, let me take note. This one, it's why I didn't really take it. It does not have as many confluences. Let's have a quick look. I mean, I would still be in this flipping trade. Oh my gosh. Oh, I would still be in this, and this is just chip chopping all the way around. Imran, hi. Oh, thanks, Raphael. I appreciate that. Leonard, I look very tall. Interesting. No, I'm actually really short. Well, I think I'm average size, I guess. I think especially for South Africa, I'm pretty standard size. Oh no, Ronnie, I'm so sorry. Raphael, not really sorry. Percy, why did I not hold? Why did I not hold what? Are you asking why I didn't make my TP higher? Is that what you're asking? Also, Hanan and Axel, hi, by the way. So I'm just sticking with my GAN box right now, which is a 2-hour trade, done and dusted. I did say once I'm a little bit more confident. Yeah, once I'm a little bit more confident, I might start looking for those higher R's, but for right now, I'm just sticking with my strategy. That's literally the only reason. I don't want to be too greedy. I've tried it. I've tried the, let's just go for gold, you know, let's try going for the higher highs, and it has bitten me badly before, so I'm sticking with the GAN. CJ Johnson, an imbalance of, so I tend to find them from, let's find a decent one. So for me, if there's this gap between candles, I don't know if people recognize them a different way, but this is how I find my fair value gaps. There and there. So you see there's these 2 breaks in the candle, whereas all the others, the wicks are touching, there's no break. Here's another one, there's a fair value gap. Here, there's a tiny fair value gap, but there is a fair value gap. On a higher time frame, that would be a big fair value gap. And especially this one, you can see this was inverted fair value gaps because there's 2 fair value gaps right next to each other. And you can see this came in, respected that inverted fair value gap and went back up. That's how I see it anyways. If people see it differently, sorry. Okay, Rafa, let's see. Oh, thanks, Percy. Yeah, I'm trying also to be really disciplined with regards to just sticking with my strategy. The mental side is really hard. The mental side of trading is really difficult. So much about on. 1-day chart is fourth bullish candle one. CJ, let me have a quick look. Okay, yeah. Titty Freckle up. Okay, I'm just gonna call you Freckle. Micro gold futures, is that what you're asking? I'm not trading that, I'm trading the NASDAQ micro futures. Perfect play! How are you? How's it going? Yeah, there we go. Like Barnett said, you can also use some indicators that show you where fair value gap is. Is it now going to start popping up? Would this have been a winning trade? Like I said, this is just consolidating. Oh, okay, CJ. So it's what did you say it was? It's a bullish candle one. So you think it's going to go down? Well, I guess it depends if it rejects off of it. Do you think it's going to reject off of it and start melting? Oh, thanks, Raphael. Yeah. I try. And like I said, the mental part is good. It's good. And it's nice to have support from the community. Like I said, you guys are actually amazing. You guys are such a supportive community. The people that aren't supportive aren't here, which is so nice. So to have like-minded people who genuinely just want to help each other and they want to see everyone winning, that's basically what this whole community is about. Perfect play. All great there. Amazing. Have you had a win today? How's it looking? Cool. How's it been going? Okay. Boom Banana, you are longing it. Are you in it already? Are you long? FX, you're feeling tired. Give you some motivation to work out. I don't know. Do you have a goal of what you want to look like? Maybe go look at some of those photos and be like, yeah, okay. If that's the goal, that's what I sometimes do. I'm like, I need to look like that, so I gotta go work out to look like that. Well, my motivation is also my horses. I need to be strong and fit and not too heavy for them, so. Would I ever do funded accounts? AR? I mean, yeah, I would. When I'm better. When I'm better at trading. Oh, guys, it's 11. Okay. I'm gonna hang around for a few more minutes, but then I'm gonna call it, because like I said, with regards to motivation and the horses, I need to actually go see them and make sure they're good. Freckle, I like my 1 minute. I don't know why. I think so. I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm always playing with something in my hands. I have ADHD and it keeps me focused. I know a lot of people don't like the noise. But the noise helps. It keeps me a little bit more focused. Like if it was a 5 minute, I would start getting bored and then I'd probably do some silly thing. So Axel, trading has definitely changed my life. There's no doubt about that. Ooh, okay, nice FX, nice. Oh, nice, perfect play. And you're still wiping the sleep from your eyes. Wow, just as I'm about to leave. But then, I mean, hopefully I'll see you for the New York, right? I don't know if I'm angry or if it's the heat. I mean, Jean, that's valid. That is valid. I have those days. Like, I don't know if I'm just low, if it's because it's cold outside. I'm like a little, I don't know. I wanted to say flower, but that sounds a little bit arrogant. you know, if the sun's not up, I feel really tired. As soon as the sun is up, I'm like, I'm awake, I'm ready, let's do this. Maybe I just rely on photosynthesis. Maybe I'm just a plant. Oh, thanks, Stefan, I appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, and then part of me was like, should I do something crazy with my hair? Should I go and dye it like purple or red? Or, you know, girls in general have these crazy urges to do crazy things with their hair, and I was like, should I do it? Should I go and dye my hair? Should I go blonde? Should I just be blonde? What would that look like? I don't know if it would suit me though. I only have the one horse, but I work a second horse. But yeah, the one is mine, the one is not mine. Axel, no, definitely for the better. Definitely for the better. Like I said, I'm still not profitable, so it's still... But it's part of the journey, right? I think that's the thing. Trading isn't just a quick money, boom, there you are. No, it takes a lot more than that. Aaron, maybe not say things like that. Anyways. Ryan, morning, just logged on. So I'm trading with the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be more specific. And that's my go-to, and the only reason why is because, sweet and simply, when I started, it's what my friend introduced me to, the friend that introduced me to trading. And the micros, because obviously then I won't just blow through capital, which helps, especially because I'm still quite new and I'm still learning things and I'm not great just yet, unfortunately. But yeah, so the micros, because then I won't blow through capitals. The reason why Nasdaq, it's just what my friend introduced me to. And I kind of want to get good at one thing before I start exploring and potentially overcomplicating it. Sorry, I hope that answers your question. ARAO. Humans are more like mushrooms. Why? Because we are a bunch of fun guys. Okay, I'll see myself out. That was so lame. Okay. John, you don't understand. What don't you understand? Ryan, red's always a winner. And you're saying, do not. Maybe blonde highlights. So believe it or not, AR, I mean, it's a bit difficult to tell right now because there has been no sunshine. I naturally, luckily for me, have natural blonde highlights. Again, it's been winter, and in the winter they go away. I'm very weird. In the winter they go away, but now that it's basically summer now, and hopefully we start to get a little bit more sunshine, the blonde highlights should start coming back. Oh, thanks, Global. What do I think about XRP? PB, to be fair, not much. I haven't really looked too much into them, but you can ask the chat. Chat, what do you guys think about XRP? Thank you. I thought it was a good one. Am I a doctor? No, I'm not a doctor. Linda, so I'm actually using Tradeify currently, but I'm wanting to move actually to one that I'm probably affiliated with. Like I said, if you want to see which ones I'm affiliated with, they're all in the link below. All of them support South Africa, because I know a lot do not. Have I had a payout yet? No, I have not. Like I said, I'm here to be honest. I'm not here to lie and say that I am magically making millions, because I'm not. 100%, Ryan. No, I get it. Yeah, 100%. Like I said, with regards, I mean, Nasdaq's been a little bit of a diva recently. As you can see, this sucks, but with regards to saving your capital, just the micros are a good way to start. Right, AR, and literally the beach is just down the road. I was really hoping I could go this weekend, but it has just been raining, and I know I should not complain. It's good. It kind of keeps the heat away because it can get so hot here. Oh, flip. I should probably go see my horses, guys. Oh, thanks, Global. Okay, guys, sorry. On that note, it's I'm gonna keep this up to see if this would have been a win in the long run. I mean, this chop is not ideal. I do not trade in the chop. It's why I did not take this trade. Do not trade in the chop. It's just not worth it. I've been screwed multiple times because of that. But guys. There we go. I will be back for the New York session later. I'm gonna go, number one, hopefully get rid of this headache. I'll try out what you guys said. I'll go have a little bit of salt water. I do not have a lemon, so I cannot try the lemon coffee. Sorry, but I'll try out the salt water. But I'm gonna head out. I'll be back for the New York session if you guys want to join in. It's going to hopefully be fun. Oh, it's going up. Watch it now. Hit where my TP would have been. It's fine. It's fine. But I will see you guys then later for the New York stream, hopefully. But hi, visual criminals. Sorry. Oh, what's my shoulder tattoo? Oh, this is Sunny. Here's a snail with flowers. Long story, but all of them have meanings. Again, speaking of tattoos, I will make a short quickly with regards. You guys are gonna have to help me pick a tattoo, but anyway. Okay, I love you guys madly. Sorry, I had a good giggle now. I love you guys madly. I'll be back for the New York session and hopefully I'll see you there. But it was a good day. We're in the green for now, right? In the green for this. So I love you guys so much. See you then in a few hours. Yeah? Okay. Love you guys madly. Bye. Yeah.